This is a beautiful 1969 Cobra hardtop, of course with the 428 cubic inch engine. As you see there on the intake scoop there, it says 428 Cobra jet. This is the hardtop version. They also made a fastback type sports roof version. The interior looks just like it came from the factory. Beautiful. Has bucket seats in the console and the 4-speed on the floor. Lighting is getting not too good. It's getting dark at the show, so this is the best I could do, but still you see the basic elements of the car. Beautiful paint job and chrome. I have a video on the channel of a sports roof model, but they're only 2 videos I have of the Cobra 428. Very nice indeed, and very rare too. The engine compartment is beautiful, really.